Paano nga ba maging star seller on Etsy? Okay, let's discuss. So when we say star seller, ito yung pag pumunta ka sa isang shop, you'll see it sa tabi ng shop logo nila na purple star tapos nakalagay star seller. Also, kapag nagsisearch ka ng isang product and mag-i-scroll ka, makikita mo rin sino yung mga star seller kasi may violet na star dun sa tabi ng shop name nila. So somehow, it also adds credibility dun sa bibili or nagsisearch ng isang klase ng product. So, paano nga ba maging star seller? Itong sasabihin ko, dapat makomply mo siya lahat. Hindi to either or. Dapat all of this makomply mo, ha? So, number 1, Etsy can only review your shop as a star seller starting 90 days after your first sale. So, kung less than 3 months pa lang ang shop mo, hindi ka pa pwedeng maging star seller kahit na 1,000 sales na yung shop mo. Okay? Also, yung pag-count ng 90 days ay after the first sale and not after opening shop. So, magkaiba po yun. Number 2, dapat for the past 3 months, meron kang at least 5 orders sa shop mo at least $300 na sale. So, dapat both may at least 5 orders ka or at least $300 sales or around parang 18,000 pesos ata yan. Okay? Number 3, dapat you were able to reply to 95% of first messages in a thread with a buyer within 24 hours. Or kunwari may nag-message sa'yo na customer. Bumili man yan o hindi, you should be able to reply within 24 hours. Kung may nagme-message man sa inyo na scammer and you don't want to reply, make sure lang na i-move nyo yung message na yon to spam. Spam messages para hindi siya makount sa pag-review ni Etsy sa star seller badge mo. Okay? Number 4, kung POD ka or you ship physical items, dapat 95% of your orders are shipped on time. Walang delays. Ganyan. If digital shop ka naman, automatic 100% yan. Kasi once customer purchase sa shop mo, ma-access naman agad nila yan. And last one, ang average review rating mo should be at least 4.8 or higher. So kung ang average mo 4.7 or mas mababa, you're not eligible to become a star seller. So on the first of every month, chine-check ni Etsy yung shop mo for the past 3 months if eligible ka. So let's say January 1, 2025. Ang i-review nila is October to December 2024. Dapat sa 3 months na yon, may at least 5 orders ka at least $300 yung income mo. Tapos yung December 2024, dapat ma-meet mo yung tatlo na number 1, within 24 hours, makapag-reply ka dun sa mga first messages na na-receive mo sa Etsy. Number 2, dapat 95% shipped on time yung product mo. And number 3, 4.8 dapat yung average rating mo or mas mataas pa doon, okay? Kapag na-meet mo yan, yung buong January 2025, meron kang star seller badge sa shop mo. Tapos, another review yan for the next month. Hindi porket star seller ka na this month, ganun na siya forever. Every month po yan nare-review ni Etsy. Okay? So, if you want to know more about selling digital products sa RAKET.PH and Etsy, you can enroll sa course ko. Ako po mismo yung nagtuturo doon. It's called Digital Faves Academy. Nasa may bio ko lang po. And if you have a question about it, message nyo lang po ako or comment lang kayo dyan. Yan lang. Ciao!